that third? Wait, can y'all hear me? I'm probably really quiet. I know it's loud. It's loud, ain't it? Let's see. Yeah, boy. Not too bad? Okay, good. Good. I'm kind of nervous. There's a dude on my left and a dude on my right, and I don't want to invade anyone's privacy. Oh God, the water's a lot closer than I expected to. There's only but a little bit of beach. And there's the rocks. And there's the water. I reckon I could just walk around if I'm just careful. Yeah! Hello! Hi Third, hi Four Guards, hi Dustin Tree, hi Archipelago, hello John Smith! That's good. I could just walk around her, she's just standing there. Woo! Woo! It's getting close. It's making me nervous and my butt's sandy. Gray and soggy, oh God. Let's try. She's just standing there, like I don't know which way to go around her. I'm kind of nervous, I don't know. I don't want to freak her out. She's freaking me out. I'm gonna grip the phone tightly. Firmly grasp it. Woo! It's a little chilly. As long as you avoid spaces, it'll be fine. Oh wait, she moved. Alright. I think she's gonna go swim. I'm gonna like try and get by. Oh, there's a bird. There's a lot of birds here. Man. You guys get to see my feet. Never before seen Inco feet. There's some dudes out there surfing. Can I zoom? I'm not used to doing stream on my phone. Oh God. Oh. Okay. My shorts are wet. My shorts are wet. Nothing happened. It's fine. It's fine. Hey birdie, what's up? How's everyone doing? Hey Jimbo! Sorry, I have like chat on the other side of my screen. Love us some dudes in the Inco channel. What dudes? You dudes? What is this? What the heck? Oh, it's a leaf. I don't know what this is. My shoes are soggy. Oh, soggy. Oh, the surfer dudes. Yeah, they're kind of far out there. I want to see. There's a crab hole. These make me a little nervous because like I want to see what's in there, but I'm also scared something's gonna like jump out at me. There's a few of them. What's in the holes? This hole was made for me. My shorts are soggy. My shorts are soggy. Yeah, hi you Lemony. What's soggy? It's my butt. I have soggy bottom. I'm the soggy bottom boys. Hey Barrel Rig. Swim to Canada? How far is Hawaii from Canada? Geoduck. I don't think it's a geoduck. I don't think it's a... Whoa! Chat! Oh! I keep making chat go away! I cannot zoom. It won't let me. Wet buttocks lab. Wait, why are you guys receiving sound alerts? It doesn't work, does it? My laptop's not even on. There's no OBS. There's nothing. This is such a basic bitch stream. It's roughly same distance as Hawaii and mainland. Oh yeah. Yeah, no. Some dude actually drowned. Like about a year ago. Someone around my age. It's kind of scary. He like went way too far out, and we think he like hit his head on something, and he died. Supposedly, they just never found him. I wanted to rave with the crabs. I haven't seen any crabs. I saw one crab, but it was dead, but it was really pretty. Dude, I wish I hadn't got my shorts wet. It's like salty wet, so it feels kind of sticky. It's not great. Ara ara. Ara ara. Have to like say it right into the mic. There's the surfer dudes, which you probably can't see because I can't zoom in. What do you think? Not too bad, right? Is the water cold? It's not warm. It's not warm, but it's been raining the past couple days, so that's probably part of the reason. I love the way the water or the sand gets all crisscrossy like that. I want to live here. Not like on the beach, but like close. Gonna get those painful thigh burns. Why do my thighs burn from wet shorts? How's first half of day been? Pretty good. Let's see, I don't even know what time it is. My dad made breakfast. Apparently, I'm sharing a room in the cabin with my grandma. Well, step-grandma, but I just call her grandma. But she said I was talking in my sleep, but she couldn't understand what I was saying. Apparently, I talk in my sleep. Ooh. And my dad made breakfast, like these English muffins with sausage and cheese. And that was pretty nice. Welcome in, Jolly. Hello, Jeff. This is Hawaii. It is. It is. I am on the island of Oahu. So not the big island, the slightly smaller island. Yeah, no, it's concerning. I wish I knew what I was saying, but I guess it's good that she couldn't understand. I'm probably like calling everyone PogChamps in my sleep or something. I am having fun, Jimbo. How have you been? How is everybody? Let's see. I keep like closing chat on accident. So if you did a sleep stream, there would actually be content. I'd probably dox myself in my sleep. It's a little bit of a concern. I ate, so I'm happy. What'd you have? New job that I love. Hey, that's fantastic. Congratulations. I'm vibing. Take a swim. Dude, I'm not bringing my phone in there. I'll like walk a little bit in the water, but I'm not, I kind of need my phone for obvious reasons. Woo! I already got my shorts wet. Ooh, a sugar cookie. Sleep talking. Charlie! Hi! And hello, Aiki. That is you, Aiki, right? Aiki Hiragi, why'd you change your username? Stop calling yourself useless. Love yourself. Everyone love yourself. Be good to yourself. Self-love. Okay? Self-love. Usefulent. It's been raining today, so my day just got a lot. Aw, Jolly. I honestly feel like such an asshat. Just for being here. This is my one vacation for like the next 5 years. If I'm being honest with you guys, I don't get to go on like trips like this. It's only because my parents live in Hawaii, and I don't know how long they plan to live here. They like it a lot, but they don't like that it's difficult for family to visit. It's not as hard for them. They're the ones who actually paid for my ticket, but it was only like, whoa, big coral. That's the reason I'm here for so long, is because the only like affordable tickets were at the beginning and the end of the month, pretty much. It was taken, but you already have your username. I don't understand. Why'd you change it? You changed it and then it was taken when you tried to change it back, or? Sir. Because it was Aiki Hiragi before. No one's useless. I see little bird tracks. Could think of worse places to live. Oh, then Hawaii? Hawaii's got a lot of problems. Things are extremely expensive here. Gas was like $5.39 or something like that a gallon. And just like food and everything is very expensive. So even if I was able to afford to live here, I couldn't easily afford to live here, you know. About $1,000 for ticket. No, for my round trip it ended up being a little over 500 because I was staying for like a month. But yeah, if I had only been staying for a week, it would have been like 1,000 or higher, was how most of the prices were. Hunt for your own food. I would be doing a lot of gardening, yeah. Fishing? I didn't have a fishing pool. Plus I don't really eat fish that much. I might get some poke though. I've always wanted to try poke. The average house cost here though for like a family home is $1 million. Real estate has been crazy, and I only know because my parents are getting into real estate. They've been doing really good though. Senzu! Hello. Hi. Does Hawaii have a lot of electric cars charging stations? Yeah! Oh, dude! Dude, no! Aw, bro, did you see the starfish? There's like a starfish, I swear. Someone clipped that. I didn't make it up, it was real. I never found a starfish before. I just didn't want to drop all my stuff and like grab it because it looked kind of slimy. The water feels pretty good actually. Yeah, I would say I don't know, there's some electric vehicles. I'd say the stations are probably more common than where I live, at least. But I live in like the Midwest, which sucks. Stop drinking, no! It was a real starfish, I swear. It was Mr. Patrick. He's gone. He's returned to the sea. Where I live, there is no ocean, so I've gotta soak it up while I'm here. Ooh, my feet feel good. Hi, water cup. My toesies feel good. I'm sinking. Sea madness. Yeah, totally. Oh shoot. Let's see. I don't know how long I'll be able to stream. It really kind of just depends on how long my battery lasts, which I can't see my battery. It's not showing it to me, and I'm kind of scared to tab out. This is my first IRL stream from this channel, so I apologize if it sucks. Synth crabs? I haven't found any crabs, only a dead one. He was like red and stripy and pretty though. There's lots of holes where crabs might be inside of. I'm not sticking my hand in there. It ain't happening. Crab rave? I imagine they're pretty reclusive about that. I wouldn't think the crabs just want to rave wherever, you know. They probably have a designated raving area. I would think. If I were a crab, that's how I would do it. Midwest got winter weather. What? How? It was like 95 degrees the other day. What? Stupid ass weather. Stupid. Why you so stupid? Not you, the weather. That's weird. I can hear the crab rave in my mind. Don't worry, third. Clothes sticks? But it's bright. It's daytime. Woo! I'll tell you what though, it's humid. It is way sticky. Especially now that my shorts are wet. I'm gonna go back to the cabin and my parents are gonna make fun of me for having wet shorts. They're gonna laugh at me. High distractions! It's good. It's good, it's good. The weather's decent. It's just sticky. It's a bit sticky here. How are you? Hi, Winter! Hello, hello! I wonder how long my battery will last. If the stream suddenly ends, it's because my battery died. Just a warning. I'd rather it didn't do that, but it's not showing me my battery. So, it's a mystery. What's behind the stone barrier? I think just more beach. I can go see. I'm slow, I'm sorry. I am kind of curious. I think it's just more beach. Oh, getting my workout. Top 10 crab raves government doesn't want you to see. Why would the government be hiding the crab raves from us? What's in it for them? I don't know. There's the mountains. Ugh. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Oh, it's just more rocks. Ew, I don't want to get all this garbage. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not even a beach, bro. It's just a bridge. And then there's like some recreation crap over there. Ugh. There's a thingy. Rare beach site thingy. Oh, there's a hair in my mouth. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Secret crab chambers. You're probably right. Like past that little recreation area. They're all in the boats, I bet. The crabs run the island, actually. Government of crabs. You like to think it's the US government. Actually, the government of crabs. Woo! My arm's getting tired. I'm gonna switch arms. Hold on. Don't touch my shoes! Oh wait, am I covering the camera? I'm a dumbass. Okay, I'll just use my other hand. Sponge boob. There's no sponge boob. I don't know what that was. Some sort of wiggly man. Wiggly man, wiggly man. This feels like a workout. My legs are tired. Yeah, they're not even big waves either, Will. These are pretty little. Then again, if they were any bigger, I probably wouldn't be out here on the beach. On the beach. Hey, there's a dude paddleboarding. I don't know if you guys can see him. I'll probably find a spot to just sit down so the camera's not moving around. I imagine that's probably a little annoying. Probably. You see all these mounds on the beach? I don't know what they are. There's holes. There's holes. But then there's also these big mounds. Oh, there's a big hole. What's in there? Who made this? I'm scared something's gonna jump out and get me. It's very suspicious. take care, birdie. Have a good one. Thank you for stopping by. Stick your foot. No! Oh, hey. There's something. Like a piece of coral. Hey, Miles. No sound alerts. I don't have a... I don't know how I do that on my phone, so... Apologize. I'm sorry. There's a bunch of stuff here. I need to sit down. I'm tired. Hey, Dante! How are you? I got a wedgie. You need to sit. There's a good spot. Here's a good spot. Ugh. Finally. No issues with cone snails? What is a cone snail? Is that just like a regular snail with like a cone-shaped shell? I thought that was all snails. Well, not all snails. I'm tired. 300 types of venom? Oh no, I'm not sleepy tired. I slept so good last night. I've been sleeping on a cot every night since I got here. It was my first time sleeping in a real bed, and oh my god. Such a big difference. No nightmares, just good sleep. Apparently I was talking in my sleep though. I just wish I knew what it was about. I was probably talking to you guys in my sleep. There's a dude out there surfing, like way out there. Or no, he's paddleboarding, that's right. There's the other guy surfing. First time sleeping in the bed. I've been on a cot. It's like a foldable cot, and it works, but it sucks. I'm not opening a link, Miles. I'm on my phone. I don't even want to know what would happen to stream if I open that. Taken by the waves? Don't even joke about that, bro. My parents know someone whose son died recently. They were taken out to sea and they never were found again. It's very sad. I'm just gonna chill here for a minute. Aquaman? Yeah, my dad doesn't even swim in the ocean. Oh yeah, they are really pretty. I like those nice wispy clouds. I thought for sure it was gonna rain today, so I didn't think I'd be able to stream. But it held up. It's pretty warm. It's pretty hot actually. Very humid. Aquaman? He ain't gonna seduce anything. Hey Retro Bum! How are you doing? I'm digging. Cirrus clouds. Made with real cockatiel feathers. Sorry, it's shaky. I don't have any professional equipment or anything. I'm just holding my phone. Anyone else on the beach probably is wondering what the hell I'm doing. Fun hunting? I don't know. They hunt besides boars, like pigs. You'd be too scared to swim in the ocean? I mean, as long as you don't go out too far, it's really not scary. I love swimming in the ocean. I just can't get the water in my eyes, because if I get salt water in my eyes, I can't open it anymore. Which sucks. like lay on the ground later. Been working on my tan. Haven't been swimming for ages. Want to go to the beach soon? I hope you get to. I hope you get to, Burgers. I haven't either, because there's... Oh my god, I think that guy just took a picture. The dude way out there on his paddleboard. I saw like a flash or something. Maybe I'm seeing things. Hi, Arcadia! Welcome, welcome. Just tell him you're the Inkobox famous streamer from the mainland. Oh no, I don't want to embarrass myself like that. I'm not famous. I'm barely famous adjacent. I'm really happy I can share this with you guys though. I was kind of worried that there wouldn't be like good enough internet, but it seems like it's been holding up really well. Locals know Inko Stinko. They know me as some sort of howly. That pale pasty bitch. I've got a little bit of a tan, but it's you see the other people here and I still kind of stand out. Don't forget to save. Thank you, third. Thank you. Really cozy. Maybe later, if I have enough like room on my phone, maybe I'll like find a nice rock to set my phone against and take a long video with no talking or anything, and then I can just upload it for like sleeping purposes or something. Don't be in the sea. I'm wearing clothes. I'm not gonna pee myself. Well, I'm not gonna pee myself anyway. I wouldn't pee myself without clothes. Ignore that. God damn it, shut up. Minor sunburn club today. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. A little healthy burn never hurt anything. Smooth, like when you got one of those Twitch backpacks. Dude, I would like one of those one day. If I ever get like stupid filthy rich, I'll buy one. Because at that point, I'll actually be able to afford to go on vacations and show you guys stuff. Jump in the water with the camp. Video, are you trying to make me lose my phone? If I lose my phone, you know I can't talk to you guys in Discord, right? I can't get logged in on my iPad. You'll never hear from me. ASMR beat stream. Save and use audio as background for ASMR. Oh, see, that's a good idea. I actually really wanted to bring my new ASMR mic with me, but I didn't have enough room to take it. I was already carrying so much shit. Which is funny because I'm usually a very light packer, but I had to take my laptop and my mic and my mouse and my everything. And it's just, when you're packing for like staying somewhere for a month, you know, it adds up. Beat Saber on the beach? Oh my god. It'd be impossible. There'd be no power. I don't know how it'd be impossible, wouldn't it? My mind's just reeling at like how that would even work. Because there's no power outlet. Oh, there's a crab, there's a crab, there's a crab. Do you see it? He's really pale, hold on. He's really pale, so you guys have to put your glasses on. He's just standing there right now. Hang on, I'm gonna try and creep up on him. Oh, there he goes. No, 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 don't go in the hole. Don't go in the, ah, he went in the hole. Come here, come back. He went in there. Did you guys see him? He was so little. Capture it, no, he's too fast. He went in the hole. Come back. Hook the computer up to the crab. We do not need digital crabs. Oh, you think they're having the rave underground? That'd be pretty smart, actually. They've got like a underground cavern. We do not need digital crabs. Throw a Pokeball? I didn't bring any. I literally only have my phone and my shoes right now. Video killed. Wait, that was Radio Crab. I thought about bringing my radio with me, but it's actually really hard to pick up stations here. I might try anyways later on today, because maybe it's different at the beach, but everywhere that I've been so far, I can barely get any stations. My dad said there's just not a whole lot in Hawaii, I guess. Maybe more of them are on the Big Island instead of Oahu. Oh, thank you for the stretch miles. Something I can actually do. Hog. Ugh. Oh god, the sun is blinding. Oh god. JK. My parents are gonna see me when I get back and wonder why I'm all sandy and gross. I'll probably just shower. Oh, I didn't, wait, no, I didn't bring my water. I told you I didn't bring anything. I'll hydrate when I get back, I promise. Because I am thirsty. Hydrate with seawater. Bro, you know that dehydrates you, right? I'd kind of be doing the opposite. Also, it'd be disgusting. Aside from being dehydrating. Dude, there's water right there. Really? Really? Y'all really want me to drink the seawater? I hate you. Why am I doing this? Fuck you guys. It's double salty. Why did I do that? I just had to check. You made me do it. Don't tell me no. Don't tell me no. You're responsible for this. Proper No, it's so salty. Y'all are dumb. What the hell? You can't tell me no after how much to drink the water. It's too late. It's too late. The damage is done. I don't know, Will. I guess I'm just a big dumbass. I mean, I really don't have any other explanation. You're responsible for bringing water with you? Well, I already have to carry my shoes, and then I have to hold my phone with the other hand, so I'm kind of out of, like, carrying things. I guess I could have brought, like, a bag, but I didn't want to get it dirty. There's the guy surfing out there. Wait, no. He's, like, sitting on a surfboard? What is he doing? Is he in a boat? I can't tell. What's this man doing? I really can't tell. A beer hat? Oh, that's a good idea, actually. I've never seen one of those in person, though. I have to go to one of those, like, kitschy shops in Waikiki. He's probably also live streaming. God, I hope not. I hope not. I would stream, like, more water stuff, but since it's literally just me and my phone. Oh, that guy's standing up. He's paddleboarding again. He's filming you, filming him. That'd be pretty funny, actually. Drink more seawater and you'll earn your shellback tattoo. I actually am getting a tattoo later this week. Just a small one, though. I'll show you guys once it's done. Collab time. Collab with random paddleboarding stranger. Look at him go. I wish I could zoom in. Let's see. Yeah, no, it doesn't give me anything to any way to do that. That's unfortunate. Ugh, my mouth still tastes salty. I wonder if that crab's ever gonna come back. Did you guys see him at all? He was the exact same color as the sand. I'm glad we saw one. That's literally the second crab I've seen the entire time I've been here. Right before he dipped in the hole. He was stealthy. Oh wait, he came out! He's out, he's out, he's out! Do you see him? He's really small. Wait, this is a different crab. In a different hole. Hey little dude! Can I get closer? Oh, don't go! Don't go, don't go, don't go! I love you! Do you wanna be friends? Do you wanna be my friend? Buddy? Hey buddy! His eye stalks are looking at me, I can see it. You look very handsome today. I just wanted to tell you that. You look very beautiful. I like your spots. Very good. I can't see you, chat. I'm sorry. I'm not ignoring you. My phone screen is just literally too dark to see at the moment. He's a tiny baby. Yeah, he's cute. Probably stuffy down there. Yeah, he needs to get some fresh air. His eye stalks are pointed at me. I can see it. Re-debuting his crab. I haven't seen any crab tubers. I know they must exist, right? I think crab was first 20... Oh, I think you're right. He's very nice. He's just sitting there. Hey, little dude. What should we call him? It's just standing there, menacingly. Hey, fella. He's a good little dude. Kingler? Clawford? Mr. Krabs Kingler Clawford. How about that? That's a big name for such a little guy. Eugene. That is a classic crab name. I wonder how long he's gonna stay there. You just chilling, bro? Hey, man. Let's see if I can, like, prop my phone up. Oh, no. That won't work. Oh, well. Oh, I got sand on my phone. He's terrified. I don't think he's terrified. If he was terrified, he'd just go back in his hole. Like the other one did. He's also live streaming. He's so cute. What a cute little man. I'm scared he's gonna whip around and bite me. Oh. Oh! Bye-bye. Ah! Look how fast! Holy crap! There's another one! There's another one! Oh, I went in a hole, I think. Wait. I saw another one, but he ran inside the hole. A distance crab. I'm glad we can make a friend here. Let me wipe the sand off my phone.